Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 6 students, hello again. I am Ahmed al-Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today inshallah we will study Unit 2 Communication, Lesson 10. Please open your skills book to page 17. Yes, this page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 2 Communication, Lesson 10. Classbook page 17, Activities 1 and 2. The aims. In this lesson, students will listen to instructions and follow them. Read about sign language. Practice signing the letters of the alphabet. Dear students, now you will listen to some instructions. Try to follow them.
Tape script 2.12.
Hold up your right hand. Hold up your left hand. Close your left hand.
Close your left hand.
Open your right hand. Hold up your first finger. Hold up your second finger. Hold up your third finger. Hold up your fourth finger. Hold up your thumb. Touch your first finger on your left hand with your second finger on your right hand. Touch your fourth finger on the left with the first finger on the right. Touch your right hand with your first finger on your left hand. Touch your left hand with your second finger on your right hand. Touch your left thumb with your first finger on your right hand. Touch your right hand with all four fingers of your left hand.
All these instructions help you learn the sign language. Activity 1. Read and answer British Sign Language. Read about sign language and answer the questions. Before we start, let me remind you with the text that you studied last time about sign language. Look here. People who can't hear very well can communicate using their hands and fingers to make shapes that represent letters of the alphabet or words and phrases. This is called sign language. So if I ask you what is sign language, you can find the definition here. Okay, again, in our lesson. People who find it difficult to hear and speak use their hands and fingers to communicate. We call this sign language. With lots of practice, sign language can be communicated very quickly. In sign language, each letter is represented by different hand and finger positions. It is also possible to show complete words in sign language. Words can be communicated by spelling each individual letter in the word. This is called finger spelling. Some words can be signed without spelling out each letter in the word. Every country has a different sign language. In Oman, Arabic letters and words are represented using United Arab Sign Language. In Britain and America, the sign language is in English. In Britain, the language is called BSL, British Sign Language. In America, it is called ASL, American Sign Language. You can read again and try to answer these questions. Use your pencil, write short answers. Then come back to check your answers. Hello again. 1. What part of the body do people use to communicate sign language? Yes, excellent. Hands and fingers. They use hands and fingers. Okay, 2. What do we call it when we sign each letter in the word? Yeah, finger spelling. We call it finger spelling. What language is used in BSL? We said that in BSL, British Sign Language, and in ASL, American Sign Language, we use English. Yeah, so the answer is English. Activity 2. Look and do. Look at the pictures on the right. They show British Sign Language. Yeah, look here. These are the letters, the British Sign Language. Practice signing the letters of the alphabet and try these activities with a friend. 1. Learn how to spell your name. Try to spell your name using fingers and hands. 2. Choose one of these words and sign it to a friend. Ask your friend to guess the word. Ask your friend to look at the British Sign Language. Then try to spell one of these words and ask him to guess the word. You can do this with your brothers and sisters at home. By this we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. See you in another lesson. Goodbye.